Ponta do Sol, a jewel on Madeira's golden coast. As we soar above the breathtaking landscapes of Madeira, our journey brings us to one of the island's most picturesque and sun-drenched treasures, Ponta do Sol. Nestled on the southern coast, this charming village is a blend of natural beauty, cultural heritage, and serene seaside living, embodying the essence of Madeira's allure. Ponta do Sol, which translates to Sun Point, is aptly named. It's renowned for being one of the sunniest spots on the island, basking in warm rays that light up its coastal cliffs and terraced hillsides. As the drone glides over this tranquil haven, we witness a symphony of colors. Deep blue seas meeting rugged cliffs, lush green vegetation cascading down the mountains, and the warm, earthy tones of traditional Madeiran architecture. Historical overview and cultural heritage. The village of Ponta do Sol is steeped in history, dating back to the early days of Madeira's colonization in the 15th century. It was one of the first areas on the island to be settled by Portuguese explorers, and its development was closely tied to the thriving sugar trade that flourished during this period. The wealth generated from sugarcane allowed for the construction of many of the grand houses and churches that still stand today, providing a glimpse into the village's prosperous past. One of the most significant historical landmarks is the Church of Nossa Senhora de Luz, which dominates the village center. This 15th century church, with its striking bell tower and intricately carved woodwork, is a testament to the village's rich religious and cultural heritage. As the drone circles this magnificent structure, we can appreciate the blend of Gothic and Manueline architectural styles that were popular during the time of its construction. Ponta do Sol is also home to several traditional Madeiran quintas, or manor houses, many of which have been lovingly restored and now serve as charming guest houses or cultural centers. These estates, often surrounded by lush gardens and vineyards, offer a window into the island's agricultural traditions and the genteel lifestyle of its former inhabitants, natural beauty and coastal splendor. As the camera pans out, the natural beauty of Ponta do Sol becomes even more apparent. The village is perched on a narrow strip of land between the towering cliffs of Madeira's interior and the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean. This unique location provides dramatic views at every turn. Whether it's the sight of waves crashing against volcanic rocks or the verdant terraces that climb steeply up the mountain sides. The coastline here is rugged yet beautiful, with small, pebble-strewn beaches nestled between rocky outcrops. These secluded coves, often only accessible by foot or boat, are perfect for a peaceful retreat away from the busier tourist areas of the island. The crystal-clear waters invite exploration, whether through swimming, snorkeling, or simply enjoying the cool ocean breeze. The Levada Nova, one of Madeira's famous irrigation channels, runs through the hills above Ponta do Sol. This levada offers hikers a chance to explore the island's interior, passing through lush forests, waterfalls, and tunnels carved into the mountainside. The drone captures the intricate network of these levadas as they wind through the landscape, a reminder of the ingenuity and perseverance of Madeira's early settlers. Agriculture and local economy. Ponta do Sol has long been an agricultural hub, with its fertile soils and favorable climate, making it ideal for growing a variety of crops. As the drone sweeps over the terraced fields, we see the patchwork of banana plantations, vineyards, and sugarcane fields that have sustained the local economy for centuries. Banana cultivation, in particular, is a significant part of life here. The terraced hillsides are dotted with banana plants, their broad green leaves fluttering in the breeze. These bananas, smaller and sweeter than their mainland counterparts, are a prized export and a staple in the local diet. Wine production is another important industry in Ponta do Sol, with vineyards climbing the steep slopes above the village. The combination of volcanic soil, abundant sunshine, and the cooling influence of the Atlantic creates the perfect conditions for growing grapes. The resulting wines, particularly Madeira wine, are known for their rich, complex flavors and have been celebrated around the world for centuries. Modern-day Ponta do Sol. Despite its historical roots and agricultural traditions, Ponta do Sol is a village that has embraced modernity while maintaining its unique character. The village center is a vibrant mix of old and new, with traditional shops and cafes sitting alongside more contemporary establishments. The cobblestone streets are lined with colorful houses, their facades adorned with flowers, creating a picturesque setting that is quintessentially Madeiran. The cultural life in Ponta do Sol is also thriving. The village is home to a number of art galleries, music venues, and cultural events that celebrate both local and international talent. One of the most notable events is the Madeira Film Festival, which often hosts screenings and events in Ponta do Sol, drawing filmmakers and cinema lovers from around the world. In recent years, Ponta do Sol has become a popular destination for digital nomads, attracted by the village's beauty, tranquility, and the availability of modern amenities such as high-speed internet. This influx of remote workers has brought a new energy to the village, with co-working spaces and creative hubs popping up alongside traditional businesses. Conclusion: the essence of Ponta do Sol. As we conclude our aerial journey over Ponta do Sol, it is clear that this village is more than just a beautiful destination. It is a place where history, culture, and nature come together in perfect harmony. From its sun-kissed beaches and fertile fields to its historic buildings and vibrant community, Ponta do Sol offers a unique glimpse into the soul of Madeira. For those fortunate enough to visit, Ponta do Sol provides a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of modern life, a place where time seems to slow down and the simple pleasures of life can be fully enjoyed. Whether you are exploring its historic streets, hiking its scenic trails, or simply watching the sunset over the Atlantic, Ponta do Sol is a place that leaves a lasting impression on all who experience its magic. Thank you very much for watching this video until the end. I hope you had a great time and learned something new. If you enjoy this kind of video, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and consider giving me a like and leaving a comment. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.